So, hello everybody. My name is Lau MVP, and today I just want to do a little show off of what we were working on with my fellas. Okay, so far my project name it's called ZeroPixelDawn. Okay, and I'm gonna give like a little overview of everything. Well, part of it, not everything, because we're still working on some parts. I have a list. Obviously, you guys cannot see it because if not, it's probably you're gonna be robbing inside my house. But I have a list next to me, and that list will have some stuff that I need to fix or I need to update related with the game. Some problems that we have arrived or stuff that we need to fix still. Okay, so the main game will be like this. Still some areas in here that we need to polish. Okay, but the main purpose of the game you haven't played before is this game is inspired basically on games such as Zero Cigarettes, one of the games I really like, and also games such as Escape from Tarkov. Okay, you might expect a lot of loot. We're still working on that type of loot. And we have our celebrities in here. They're from the Spanish community. So we have our Dio Chocas, Rubius. So thanks to them, and there's more people, of course, I would like to add. We have these areas, different areas, little of each one. We have Mr. Sellendos in here doing selling stuff, I guess. The nurse, I will add little more NPCs. I need to polish some areas, of course, but the main game so far looking, it's like this. Of course, the music in the background is made by our dear musician, that is Andoy. Thank you for the music. Okay, and so far it's still like this. Okay, so you can come here, buy your gun. Obviously, this one you won't have it on the final version. Now we still have some stuff in here we need to polish. As you can see here, we still have some arrows in here I need to polish. But for the basic implementations are still working already. Okay, so we have stuff like that. We can, of course, come here and sell stuff. Okay, also we need to fix some stuff related, maybe, or polish more than fix, polish some stuff with the sound. And one of them will be this sound of passing the stuff. Okay, but basically most of it is working for you. Okay, so we also have this stuff that I like to I implemented for you to have a little more chaotic situations, such as the spells, something that Zero Cigarette doesn't have it, and also Escape from Tarkov doesn't have it. So far we have normal spells and the ultimate spells. I won't show off everything, of course, because I want like a surprise. But you can have a read of each of them, so you can get an idea what each do. Okay, but I would tell you that it's very, very, very interesting what each of the spells do. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna take these two spells. I will try to not use it so I don't show off too much. Okay, but so far I would say that's the basic mechanics inside what we call the HQ. Okay, so for now let me put the player in here, and I would just knit it up. I want to show a little bit of gameplay itself. Okay, this is gonna be the area of the boss, but I want to show off a little bit of gameplay, how it looks like. Okay, so let's clean these errors. Thank you. All right, so HQ, we're gonna save. All right, so now we go play on full mode. Okay. But more than very big showcase, I wanna do like a devlog. Probably we're gonna do it every week because the stuff related with time. Okay, so right now we have it like that. Okay, and you can of course cross it. So you can come here, deploy. Of course, the deploy looks right now. I just You will see it. It needs some polish. That's from my part. Okay. And so far, this is the part of the gameplay area. Okay. Where you guys are gonna be able to loot, kill enemies. Of course, I'm not gonna spoil everything. Okay. So you guys don't get spoiled. Okay. So my editor, Paula, we will edit some parts so you guys don't get spoiled. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much for this one. So I would say that from us, what it will be left over, it will be basically adding some stuff related with the map and balancing the guns and the rewards that you guys will get. Okay, I just wanna show a little bit, so you guys will see something like this. All right, that's pretty much just it. All right, so I will keep informing you guys with the devlogs and everything. So hope you guys have a little bit of enjoyment, excitement as well as we do. So also we plan to put more enemies, and if we still have time, we plan to put more spells because they're pretty good ones. Okay, pretty good ones. Probably the next, I will say dev showcase. I will allow to show some spells, but I think if you wanna know, guys, you can follow the Instagram website. My editor will put it on the screen, so you can go and check it out because, well, he used some of the spells, so you can get a little bit of teasing of how some of the spells will look like. Okay, so until then, well, my name is Lao MVP. See you next time. Okay, sayonara, bye bye.